ambitious friends, I am so grateful to have you here with me today. Imagine you sitting right here next to me. And so I commonly have gotten this question asked, and it's been said, Darcy, why do I need to form my business with a business formation service rather than forming it with the state itself and doing it myself? And I'm like, you can do it yourself, but as a busy business owner, you probably have a lot going on in your business and you don't want to worry about the legal side. And so really what a business formation service does is they step in and they're like, I'm gonna file your business paperwork for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You're not gonna have to worry about filing the articles of organization. We're gonna take that off your hands worry-free. In addition to that, they also file your business quicker than if you were to go directly with the state. And so I personally know that time is money, and so you might be crunched for time in your business and want to have that official LLC status. Well, a business formation service will help you get that filed a lot sooner. Even some business formation services do same day filing. So if you want to file your business sooner than you otherwise would be able to with the state, and you don't have to worry about all of the paperwork that goes with it, then a business formation service can help you. In addition to filing it a lot sooner, they can act as your registered agent. And so every LLC, every business needs a registered agent, and that's someone that will take in paperwork and documents for your business. And so you could be your own registered agent. You could do that, but you're gonna mix your personal mail with your business mail. And again, it's great to have that separation between your personal life and your business life, but you can do it. And so with a registered agent, they'll take in your mail. If worst case you get sued, you're not going to get sent that notice to your house, but it'll go to the registered agent and they'll send you a notification saying that you have mail for you. And so there's that additional separation that helps separate you and your business when it comes to having a business formation service. In addition to all of that, they also have partners. So if you need to have a website built, if you need to have a bank account, which a lot of times, again, it's crucial to have your own business bank account, they have partners that they will connect you with. Just for example, Incfile and Inc Authority both have a partnership with Bank of America, where you can get $500 for forming your business with them if you have both a checking and credit card. So again, I love bank bonuses, and they have that benefit included with their partnerships. And so really a business formation service really makes your life easier, you know? And so again, as a business owner, you have a lot going on in your day-to-day, just trying to make that business work. And so you don't want to have to worry typically about the legal side of things. And that's where a business formation service comes in. Last but certainly not least, business formation services help you when it comes to your annual filings. So every business, every LLC will need to file annual paperwork just to update the state on what's going on in your business. Has your business name changed? Has the money you've been making changed? Where your business has seen rapid growth, which we all hope for, but we need to make sure to let the state know how our business is doing. And that's where the annual filings come in. And so you might not know where to go to file this annual paperwork, let alone know what all paperwork you have to file. And so that's where a business formation service comes in. They tell you when you gotta file it and what you need to file to make sure your business, your LLC, is in compliance. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comments what other questions that you have about the formation process, about grants. I am going to be coming soon with some more grant content your way. And peace. Stay building. Bye.